Here's how to make a YouTube channel on the iPad. First, download the YouTube app if you haven't already. So just go to the App Store and download YouTube. Then we're going to go inside of the YouTube app. And if you're not already logged in, make sure you sign in to the account that you want to be signed in on. You're going to click on your little account profile picture. It's in the lower right section of your screen. And then once you're on the correct account, if you do need to switch accounts, it's going to be up here in the accounts drop down. You can add an account, you can switch accounts, you can log into the account you need to be logged in on. And this is the account we're going to create our channel on. Notice right below our name is create a channel. So when we tap on that, we can choose how we will appear. You don't have to put in a profile picture yet. And we can choose our name and our handle. And so once we pick those two things, we can actually create our channel. I would suggest getting your handle the way that you want it right now because it's harder to change your handle than it is to change your name later on. Now we're going to go click create a channel. And then once we do that, we actually already have our channel. It says this channel does not exist. That's because it's so fresh and new. But in the lower right, we have our profile again. And then the upper left, you can see now that we have our handle. That's the channel for this account. We can tap on view channel. It may not show much because you don't have any content yet. And so now you can look at analytics, you can edit your channel, you can also create content. So you can upload content by clicking on this create button or even record content right there on the spot. In the analytics, I'm guessing it takes us to YouTube Studio. Actually, it might show us some analytics here on the YouTube app. That's not something I've ever played around with, but if you want to manage your YouTube channel, then you're going to want to also download the YouTube Studio app. So that's YT Studio. Just look up YouTube Studio. So you want the YouTube app and YouTube Studio. Inside of YouTube Studio, you're going to want to sign in with the same account that you're signed in on YouTube. And so when we go ahead and sign in, we can actually select our account because it's already on our device. We can have it send us notifications, but it might be kind of fun at first to get subscriber notifications, comment notifications, but over time, you might want to just say don't allow because you can come check those anytime you want. So now I can see my channel analytics, which means I have 0 subscribers, I have 0 views. We just created this channel. And you can see down here, you can list all your content. So once you start creating content, you'll see it in here, whether it's shorts or live streams or video uploads. You'll see all of your analytics down here. You'll see your comments in the community section. And you'll even see at first how close you are to becoming a YouTube partner to actually monetize your channel and earn money with YouTube. So that's how you can manage sort of the back end of your channel. And the YouTube app itself is how you create a channel on the iPad. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you like this video, share it with someone you know wants to create a channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.